If you would like to learn how to play Okay Alright by David Archuleta, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm AJ from Homeschooler Goes Public, and in this video I will give you an easy piano tutorial for Okay Alright by David Archuleta. This song is pretty new, so there aren't really any piano tutorials out there. So I thought I'd make an easy chording tutorial, perfect for someone who's new to piano or a beginner. So head to your keyboard or piano and let's get started. So this song basically is just the same 5 chords repeated through the entire song. I'll show you what each chord is and then how each section of the song sounds with the piano. So the first chord is B flat. That's the B flat, and then these are the other notes in the chord. So that's B flat, and then there's F. There's the F, and there's the chord. Next is C. There's C, and that's the chord. Then there's D minor. There's D, and that's the minor chord. And then you're back to C. So let me go through that again. B flat, F, C, D minor, C. So that's the right hand. Now the left hand. All you're gonna do for each chord is you take the first note that your thumb plays and you're gonna play it lower down. So for instance, when you're playing B flat, you're just gonna be playing this B flat. Then the same thing with the F. And with the C. And again with the D minor. So really, you're just playing the same note as your thumb, 1 octave down. Not too bad. You basically just play that through the entire song. So that's how you play each chord. Now I'll show you what the song sounds like with the piano.
Sometimes I wake up in the wrong side of my head. The little voices creep back in, but it's cool. Some nights the TV's on, just so I don't feel alone. Which office episode should I choose?
You've already learned the entire first verse. The bridge is really the same as the chorus, so I'll show you what that sounds like. Once again, that's B flat, F, C, D minor, C. So I'll show you what that sounds like.
When I lose my mind, I go places nobody can find. When I lose my way, I just look at myself in the mirror and say,
you're just playing the same chords repeatedly. The first chorus is really very similar to the first verse and first bridge. Here's what it sounds like.
It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright, alright.
So now you've learned the first verse, first bridge, and first chorus. Surprise, the second verse is exactly the same as the first. I'm just gonna go through that entire second section, the second verse, second bridge, and second chorus, just so you can hear it all. It's just the same as what you did before.
Sometimes the traffic blur has got me using words my mom has never heard my bed. Sometimes I wanna throw everything I own right out the window, doing things I know I can't take back. When I lose my mind, I go places nobody can find. When I lose my way, I just look at myself in the mirror and say, it's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright, alright. It's
learned most of the song already. So the final bridge is very similar to the previous one with one small change. At the end of it, where you say, I see you with your new man, but it's cool, you're going to just play a C. You don't play the next D minor C. You just are gonna play B, F, C, and that's it. And then you're gonna pause a minute. So it just goes like this. See you with your new man, but it's cool. And that's it. You're not gonna play the next D minor C. You're just gonna leave it at that first C. So I'll show you what that sounds like all together. Hey, 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 oh no. Sometimes I think and then I'm on your Instagram. I see you with your new man, but it's cool. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. Alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. Alright. The very last thing is the outro. And the outro is basically just the same as the last bridge, except for the end, which I'll show you. It's a lot like the previous bridge, except you will be playing that final D minor C with an addition of an F. Technically, that final F isn't actually in the song, but I think it sounds a lot nicer than just leaving it on that C. But that's just me, so it's up to personal preference. So here's what that sounds like. Hey, 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 oh no. Hey, 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 oh no. Alright. So now you know the basic song, but there's something else you can do to bring it up just a notch, make it sound a little bit cooler. Instead of just playing it basic, like that, you can bounce a little with it, like this. This is totally optional, I just think it sounds cooler. So really what I'm doing is I'm pressing on the note, and then up, down. That's all there is to it. Now, one more thing you can do to make it sound even cooler, instead of just playing a single note on your thumb, you can take it down one more octave and play two notes at once. I'll show you what that sounds like. Hey, 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 oh no. It just adds some depth. So I'll show you what that sounds like when you put both those two things together in the chorus. Hey, 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 oh no. Hey, 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 oh no. So that's what it sounds like when you use both those two things. I recommend using that only during the hey sections and not during any other part of the song. If you want to mix it up a little bit, I would play just the one chord once each time when you're singing the okay, alright chorus. Just like this. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. It's fine, I'm fine, okay, alright. Alright. It's just a little more accurate to the original song. But again, that's totally personal preference. You don't have to play it like that. That's just the way I prefer playing it. If you're having trouble memorizing the chord progression, just keep working at it. I'm sure you'll get it soon. I hope you liked that easy piano tutorial for Okay Alright by David Archuleta. If this is your first time here in Homeschooler Goes Public, then be sure to subscribe so you'll never miss a future video. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Pop quiz, what songs would you like to see a tutorial on? Let me know in the comments below because I'd love to hear from you. If you'd like to see last week's piano tutorial, I'll link it up here in the YouTube card. Once again, I'm AJ from Homeschooler Goes Public, and I'll see you later. Bye! Blooper! Link it up here in the piano tutorial. If you're still around, make sure you stay around because something new is gonna happen probably soon, maybe.